I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I'm a coach who helps people professionally in a number of different ways. Job search, hiring more effectively, managing and leading, workplace-related issues, a whole host of things. And someone wanted to know why people look at your LinkedIn profile. The answer is they wanted to see what was there. What are they looking for is a different question. What they're looking for is maybe you did something online that prompted them to be curious about you and your background. Maybe they're trying to recruit you for a job or considered recruiting you for a job. And they looked at your profile and decided not to contact you because there wasn't enough there. Maybe they want to sell a product or service to you. Like I know I get lots of contacts from firms that do lead generation. And this took place when I still did recruiting. It still takes place now that I'm a coach. Hey, buy my product or service. Let me help your business grow, or let me promote your podcast or your YouTube channel. This is all lead generation stuff. For you, the probability is they were looking at your background because they were trying to fill a position. What you can do is message them and say, hey, LinkedIn told me that you looked at my profile. Was there something there in particular you were looking for that you didn't find that prompted you not to reach out to me? Now, that's going to make them go back to your profile again because they don't remember. But it will at least foster the opportunity to find out more about the role that they were working on that prompted them to want to look at your background. When all is said and done, LinkedIn is a basic tool. It helps recruiters fill jobs. It helps people sell products or services to people. It helps individuals promote themselves to other people. After all, I speak from the perspective of I was LinkedIn member 7653 of the 650 million plus people on the platform. I'm Jeff Altman. Hope you found this helpful. Visit my website, thebiggamehunter.us. There's a lot there that can help you in the blog. If you have a question for me, message me through Wizio.com. That's WISIO.com/thebiggamehunter, and I'll answer your question. Also, if you're interested in coaching, visit my website, thebiggamehunter.us. You can schedule time for a free discovery call or schedule time for coaching, and I've got a lot there that can help you in the blog. And I'm also going to mention subscribe to my channel on YouTube by clicking the small icon in the lower right or the picture of me in the upper left. And you can watch me on TV. On a Fire TV or a Fire Stick, download the Job Search TV app on Apple TV, Roku, Sony, Samsung, like 90 different platforms. Download bingenetworks.tv and watch me there. Have a great day and be great.